Alright, so this is going to be unsteady handheld phone video. But first things first, I found a solution I'm going to try for these spark plug boots. In that assortment of springs I have that I bought in just a random spring box, there were some 6.5mm springs, ID, and they fit on that boot to make a little spring clip, and they are now definitely securely on the spark plugs. So I'm hoping that that will fix the loose boot problem on these engines. And then I had a comment asking about whether or not the ETX here has a water pump. So since I'm making this short video with this other spark plug thing, that is the water pump on the engine, on the ETX. And if I rotate the camera around here, it has a plunger right there that is driven off of the cam. So the cam lobe will, let's see if I can get, oh, big shaky cam. There. So the cam lobe operates the exhaust valve on this side for the push rod, and then it rotates, and on the bottom or on the side there it rotates and does the pushes the plunger for the water pump to circulate the water. And you can even see I've got bubbles in my system because I don't have a proper fill neck. But when it runs, I can watch for the bubbles in the hose there and know that it's pumping water. So yeah, that's a short solution with the little spring clips I found for the boots and answering a question on the ETX.